Hi guys, let's review Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro global version smartphone. I make a video only for my company B2B business. My company supports small order and small business also. We accept sample order from 1 pieces. We can make it global sending. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience since 2010. We can deliver Redmi Note 8 Pro global version smartphones and other global version smartphones to your forwarded address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou or other city in China. I will put a B2B contact link below the video. I will put a small order sample order link below the video. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. If you want to make B2B business of Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro, you can contact with us. It is a 6.35-inch IPS LCD, 19.5 to 9 radio, 395 ppi density. It's from back glasses, a 5th generation Corning Gorilla glasses, and its resolution. The display resolution is 2340 pixels by 1080 pixels. Its operating system is MIUI 10 based on Android 9.0 Pie operating system. Its CPU is MTK G90T octa-core 2.05 GHz. It supports micro SD card up to 256 GB by micro SD card. Memory storage have 64 GB long, 6 GB LAN, 128 GB long, 8 GB, 6 GB LAN or 8 GB LAN, 256 GB long, 8 GB LAN, UFS 2.1 version. It has 5 cameras. Selfie film camera is 13 megapixel. And its selfie film camera is 20 megapixel f2.0 picture. Main cameras are coin camera, 64 megapixel f1.9 picture. Ultra wide camera is 8 megapixel f2.2 picture. Micro camera is 2 megapixel f2.4 picture. The battery built-in is 4,500 mAh battery built-in. Supports 9V 2A 18W supercharge fast charging, and supports FM radio, infrared LED port. Here's infrared LED port. GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, Bluetooth 5.0, FM radio. It has black color, red color, blue color, white color, deep sea blue color, midnight blue color, electronic blue color. Some colors to choose. Okay, let's continue to check what included in the color box. Here's the color box. One piece Type-C the USB cable. Here's 1 piece 9V 2A fast charger. 1 piece eject pin. 1 piece silicon case. 1 piece warranty certificate. Here's the manual. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like us in Facebook and Instagram pages. (64 megapixel camera). We can see the details. That's all.